Hello everyone, welcome. I'm Big Allen Cox. I like trying to keep and save things from the landfill, like this 2021 Black Max string trimmer. This is in for repair with a broken piece off the trigger throttle that makes it rather uncomfortable to use. There are replacement triggers available for this unit. They are around $15 with shipping. These are fairly decent trimmers for the homeowner. Black Max products used to be manufactured by Homelite, now owned by Hart Tools. The Ryobi and Homelite brands also fall under their ownership. Because of this, many internal mechanical parts and attachments are interchangeable between them. Black Max branded trimmers and mowers are almost exclusively sold at Walmart retail stores. This is a dual feed bump head, that's standard on these. This one has a shaft that can be changed to run different attachments. You can get it to be an edger, pole saw, a small cultivator, or a leaf blower. Other than the broken trigger, this one is in decent shape otherwise. If you're going to buy a trimmer at Walmart, this might be about your best bet as far as quality at the homeowner level. That is a rather nasty break. I can see where this unit would be uncomfortable to use, certainly. The housing should come apart with the screws removed. Pull the broken throttle out. You see here is a spring that sits in behind this trigger. Just leave that in place if you can. This is the new trigger. Looks to be exactly what is needed. This is the number on the package. This is an OEM part from Hart Tools. This is the new trigger. Looks to be exactly what is needed. The throttle control cable mounts in the trigger. There's a slot and a cutout that the cable rides in to lock it. The throttle cable control will go back into the hole and into the slot lock. Then all I have to do is get the new throttle mounted onto the shaft with the spring sitting in behind it. It should just go back into place rather easily. I can kind of test it now and make sure I have the correct movement going on. And that looks good. Now I can join the cover halves back together. The handle is reassembled. Press down on the throttle safety release and the trigger should operate the carburetor's throttle control. Looks good. You can clearly see the break that happened to the original trigger when they are compared. The whole end of this original is gone. Let's take the unit outside and see if we can crank it and throttle it up with the new trigger. Starting procedure on this unit is 6 or 8 primer bulb pumps, full choke, full throttle, should bark off, then half choke and full throttle, and then it should fire, and then let it run like 10 or 20 seconds on half choke, then go to the run position. The unit actually starts and runs great. The throttle trigger mechanics are working normally. With the trigger replaced on this Black Max trimmer, the owner can now cut his weeds without needing a band-aid afterwards. With the way these triggers kind of stand out, it is a common issue to see these with broken triggers. Just try to keep your Black Max in a secure place where nothing can fall on it or make an impact on the machine. Let me and others know about your experiences with a Black Max branded machine in the comment section of this video. Thanks for watching, and please like the video if it helped you out, and the subscription option is also available for this channel to keep up with the latest videos. Saving things from the landfill. I'm Big Allen Cox, and until the next time, I wish you many blessings from my shop to yours.